What's up guys, welcome to the 6th tutorial of bash scripting, and in this tutorial it's all about how to declare an array. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. Okay, so cd desktop bash semicolon ls-l. That's how you do everything from just one terminal command. Okay, so now touch array.sh. Now using Nano, our favorite text editor. Okay, so now hashtag exclamation mark shebang, and then your interpreter bin bash. Now we can declare an array with 4 elements. Okay, so array equals I'll use my name, I'll use the computer's name, I will also use Ubuntu or whatever. And Windows. Now we can get the number of elements in the array using elements that needed to be capital. Equals your $, curly braces, hashtag array, and then your squared brackets or braces, whatever, with your @. And now you can echo each element in the array with a for loop. So this is how we do it. For I equals 0, I is less than the element, so use the $. I plus plus, close that off, semicolon, now space, and then say do. And then echo the whole thing out. Your $, and your curly brace, array, squared brackets, curly brace again. Inside that you need I. And there you go. And then after that you need done. Okay, so that's how you declare an array with 4 elements, and then you get the number of the elements in the array, and then use echo each element in the array using a for loop. And that's it. Okay, so I'm going to do Control X, Y, and enter. Okay, now we can cap this on the screen to show you what we are compiling. Okay, to compile this, as usual, it's chmod +X, and then the program's name, and then /. Okay, so there's an error generated, line 7. QuickTime, I'll open gedit. Line 7. Okay, there's an error. Yeah, I forgot the dollar sign. Save that. Get rid of that. Chamad. And there you go. Rayhan Abdullah, MacBook Pro, Ubuntu, and Windows. Okay, that's it for this tutorial. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for now.